Hi, in today's video I want to give you a short review and a couple of close-ups of my new RYOBI edger. Alrighty, so short review about the RYOBI edger. I got it at Home Depot. I think it was $99, and the edger comes without any batteries. That's why you can buy it a little bit cheaper. So you have an upper column, and right here you can just disconnect it, and it's just push-in connection. And then you have just the edger port. In the edger port, you have the little wheel that you run on the ground. This is a little stopper, and then you have 4 different adjustments. So this port goes a little bit lower, depending on how deep you want it, and then you have a blade. Everything comes pre-assembled, and I have already used it a couple of times, and it works really great. So I think if you need an electric edger, this is really great investment, and for $99 you really cannot get anything better than this. This is how it looks. The motor is right here. Everything is battery operated. So this edger takes RYOBI plus 18 volt batteries. This is the battery that I have from totally different tools. I think this is from my a little portable saw, but you can use any other battery. And just to give you a little close-up, I also have a little bit older battery that looks like this. It still does work, and I have a charger that came with my other tools that I bought like 2 years ago. So you can charge any of those batteries in the same charger, and everything works great. In order to operate the edger, you need to hold the safety button, and then you push the trigger, and then the edger engages. Alright, so let's see how it's going to do this side. So I just want you to see it does a really amazing job. We didn't have any edger on this property for a long time, so look how thick this is, and it really does a great job get rid of it. And this is a really thick area. Probably it's, you know, look at this, it's a probably good 2 inches thick. So as you can see, this edger works pretty great. I have really thick grass, so I have to go kind of in and out a couple of times in order for me to get a nice clean edge. But as I think that if I'm gonna be doing more regularly, not once every 10 years, it's gonna be a little bit easier. It's gonna be just doing a really good job. So give me a thumbs up if you like my video, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.